In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of the Add to Cart button in Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step right inside your Shopify admin, and by the end you'll be able to fully control both the background and the text color of your Add to Cart button using a little bit of custom CSS. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for Online Store and click it. This will open up your Themes section. At the top of the themes list, you'll see your current live theme. On that theme, click the option to edit the theme, which will open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a preview of your store on the right and a panel of settings on the left. At the very top, there's a page selector, which is usually set to something like Home Page. Click that drop-down, then go to Products and choose Default Product. This switches the preview to a typical product page where your Add to Cart button actually appears. Once you're looking at your product page, move to the left panel and find the section called Product Information, or something similar depending on your theme. Click it to open up the editing and styling options for that section. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see an option called Custom CSS. Then click it to reveal the text box where you can paste code. In that text box, you're going to paste the exact CSS code shown in this video. If you need more time, pause the video so you can clearly see the code and copy it accurately into the box. After you've pasted the code, look at the preview on the right. You should see that your Add to Cart button has turned black. That's because the hex code in the CSS is currently set to black. To customize this, go back to the code in the left panel and look for background color. The hex code that comes after background color controls the button's background. If you scroll a bit more, you'll see color, and the hex code after that controls the text color on the button. To choose your own colors, open a new tab and go to Google. Then search for Hex Color Picker. Use the color picker to find a color you like, then copy the hex code it gives you. Return to your Shopify theme editor and replace the existing hex code for background color or color with the new one you copied. Watch the preview on the right again, and you'll see your Add to Cart button update to match your chosen colors. Once you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner. That's it. Your new button color is now live on your product pages.